Hi everyone, today we're going to be testing out the microphones of the latest and greatest action cameras. And right now you're listening to the DJI Osmo Action 3. In just a minute we're going to switch to the GoPro Hero 11 Black. And how does this sound? How does it compare to the Action 3? The Insta360 One RS 4K boost. And how does this compare to the other two cameras? We're about to move on to the GoPro Hero 10 Black in the media mod case. So this one has an external microphone and everything. And how does this sound? Does it sound good? Because we're about to move on to the DJI Osmo Action 3 with the DJI Mic attached. So see, I've got the little wireless microphone right here, and the base unit is plugged into the Action 3. So I'm really interested to hear how all these cameras and all these microphones compare to one another. And thanks for watching. I'll see you all again next time. Bye.